I was using 2 Walmart shopping bags for the, you know, those blue ones you can buy, for putting my laundry in, and I walked to the laundromat to do my laundry. Well, I sewed those 2 bags you see there, and that's my laundry, and I'm getting ready to walk to the laundromat. Now, before you think, oh my goodness, this poor woman's got to walk to the laundromat. Well, see that white truck over there across the road? That's the laundromat. That's how far I've got to walk. Let's see, the National Guard's doing some business today. So I walk to the laundromat, and I can count that as 5 minutes on the treadmill. So